Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet Cobalt SS Supercharged. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 163,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and power windows. Thank you for viewing our 2008 Chevy Equinox.